Sungrow has certainly came through with an awesome solution. This is a game changer. It's about price, it's about storage, flexibility, and it's also about control.
Wow, that is a game changer.
Optimise Solar Cloud is one of the most powerful tools that Sungrow's got today, even to the point where you can actually say, if there is a lower feed-in tariff, you can actually force the batteries to charge at that rate and then discharge at the higher rate.
If I don't stop Harry now, he'll be telling me another 15 bloody advantages, okay?
Presented by Your Energy Answers.
I'm here at Solar Juice today, and actually there's something very special. I'm sure you heard recently Sungrow are coming out with a commercial hybrid inverter, which is filling a gap, because in the past commercial inverters and commercial battery, it was always big, plonky boxes. And now Solar Juice have put their money where their mouth is, and they've done the first commercial install already in Australia a week after the damn thing's been launched. In order to find out more about it, I'm talking to Harry and to Achilles from Solar Juice, because they've got all the details. So what's special about the unit, Harry?
Well, first of all, Marcus, thank you for having us here today. It's all about the commercial C&I space. There's always been battery storage in that space. It's been complicated, bulky, expensive. Sungrow has certainly came through with an awesome solution. This is a game changer. It's about price, it's about storage, it's about flexibility, and it's also about actually taking action and being able to control. That's what it's all about, control.
You haven't really given me the details. I feel like in that old commercial, tell me the price, son.
Carpet, timber, vinyl floors. Son, tell them the price.
What's so special about it? I've seen Sungrow inverters, I've seen Sungrow batteries.
Guys have always been limited by space. They've had to push around some of their stock to allow room. With this particular solution, the space is limitless. As we can see behind us over here, we have currently a 100 kilowatt system with 60 kilowatt hours worth of storage.
So it's compact, all right?
Definitely.
And the fact that it's modular allows me to install it easier, is it?
Exactly.
So here I've got Achilles. He knows more the technical stuff, because to be very honest, Harry is going to just sell me the stuff. I want the technical details. Nothing wrong with selling. We've got 25 kilowatt inverters, 4 of them. I assume there's 100 kilowatt on the roof. What do you got on the roof? Yeah.
So on the roof, we got a total of nearly 100 kilowatts all black panels with the MyBed all black racking systems.
I would be allowed to oversize that too, wouldn't I?
You can oversize up to 200%. So ideally, you can even have a 200 kilowatt PV on the roof. And those PVs are evenly connected to those hybrid inverters. So each hybrid inverter is worth 25 kilowatts AC output. We got 3 batteries here. Each battery have 4 battery modules.
I assume that's about a 5 kilowatt. So you've got 420, 3. So would you have 60 kilowatt hours of battery storage?
That's correct. Total of 60 kilowatt hour
and
battery storage.
Is that based on the consumption that you have in the office, let's say after hours and things like that? Is that
Precisely.
Why? So what's the maximum of inverters you can put together parallel?
So maximum unit you can do parallel is 24 units. So if you do your math, that's
Jesus Christ.
That's 600 kilowatts.
So 600 kilowatts all in modular units.
That's correct.
And then how many more batteries can I add?
So each hybrid inverter can hook up to 4 stacks. Each stack is 40 kilowatt hour. So that's total of 160 kilowatt hour per unit.
Yeah.
Times by 24, that gives you nearly 3.8 megawatt hour of storage.
That is a game changer, because it's filling that plug where in the past you had to get a 500 kilowatt inverter, 4 cranes and all of this stuff. And now you actually can have, with a reputable brand of Sungrow, so therefore you know it's going to work and you get technical backup, you can actually make it exactly the size you need for that commercial business.
That's correct.
Is that where the game changer comes in, is it?
Yes, and what's more, some will claim that because this is multi-inverter setup, you can actually parallel different model of inverters.
Different models means I can have a 15 and a 25, so I can actually reach a 40 if 40 kilowatt is exactly what the customer needs.
Correct.
Is it?
That's correct.
So I don't have to kind of upsell him to 50 because I've got 225 and squeeze a bit extra on the roof. I actually can be honest to the customer, give him exactly what he needs.
That's correct.
Wow. That is a game changer. No wonder Harry over here is smiling like an alley cat because he knows he can sell this because it's really filling a gap. But I know you're like the K-tail steak knife, man. Is there more? What's there more?
There's always more, Marcus. Come over here with me, mate.
We actually have flown in from Sungrow, Mr. Shu, all the way to make sure that this first historical install in Australia is working smoothly like a baby's bottom. So have a look at the monitoring, Mr. Shu. Okay, I haven't looked at this before, and it is very intuitive and very simple. you can see what the battery is charging at, and it's a massive 45.19 kilowatts out of the 61 that the system generates. So very straight, intuitive to monitoring. We're consuming in solar juice itself 9.2 for the office, and we're exporting a measly 6.6. So the majority is going to the battery, which I suppose we could discharge when we get a lot of money for it, and that way actually make money out of this battery. But I don't know if I'm correct, Harry. Have I got that right?
Yes, certainly you're right, Marcus. iSolar Cloud is one of the most powerful tools that Sungrow's got to date. It basically looks after the whole system. Live monitoring, you've got any issues with the system at all.
Fault finding.
Fault finding, you can get in there, you can look it up.
Historical data.
Exactly, yes, you can see historical data, even to the point where you can actually say, if there is a lower feed-in tariff that you can get at a lower price, you can actually force the batteries to charge at that rate and then discharge at the higher rate.
So let's say it's a cloudy day, I don't generate that much, but it's the middle of the day, and for whatever reason in other parts of the city it's very sunny, so prices have dropped a lot in the wholesale market. I'll suck it into my batteries, hold it, push it out when I get more money for it. Is that it?
That's exactly right, Marcus. It's spot on. And Sungrow itself has got a very inept service team. They've got them located over in North Sydney. They'll be able to remotely go into your system, diagnose it, all the way from there. If there's any issues way above board, they'll get the original installation manager to come and have a look at it for you.
So the answer with Sungrow is really, I believe, there's over 100 people now employed. They have increased their staff numbers, because with stuff like that, after sales is really the very, very important part. I have spoken to installers, and they actually have given Sungrow a big tick. A lot of the manufacturers coming to Australia early days, sometimes a little bit jarring of promises versus what's happening. But in Sungrow's case, people are very happy with the after sales service. That's all I can say. I repeat what people say.
And the other thing I'd like to add too, Marcus, let's not forget that, Sungrow is one of the most powerful companies out there. 4 times it was voted by Bloomberg as being 100% bankable.
When it comes to VPP, is that coming?
Yeah, we've spoken to the team. They're actually working on it at the moment. They've got a timeline at the end of July, early August to be available.
If I don't stop Harry now, he'll be telling me another 15 bloody advantages, okay? I'm pretty impressed. It's a modular unit. It fills a gap in the market. It has easy monitoring. It allows you to participate in the VPP down the track. And I would really say that this is going to be a very nicely selling unit, because if the installers in the smaller to medium and even large commercial are becoming aware of all the features that this product has, it will walk out the door.
Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.
Marcus, I've got to tell you one more, mate. They're coming out with another.
Yeah, what size?
It's kilowatts.
Oh my God, that's not an advantage, by the way.